You'll find the USB port next to the aux port, low in the center of the instrument panel. To play MP3 or Windows Media music files from a flash drive, plug it directly into the USB port. The USB icon will become active on the display screen. And if the audio system is on, the files on the drive will start to play. If the information is available, the title and/or artist will appear on the screen. You can search the flash drive by folder or by music selection. Touch the Files button to see the songs in the folder that's open. If you want another folder, touch the Folders button.